Hey you guys, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and you take notes from this, okay honey? So this video is basically going to be done like backwards. The first part that you saw was recorded the following day. I was not able to get good footage and I did not want to cheat you guys out of seeing how this hotel looks during the day. But here we go.
30 hertz straight up.
Hello.
Welcome to my crib, MTV Cribs.
Okay, so we're about to get into I would say like, this is the bedroom for people that's like coming along on your trip. Like you put them in here. The bed was comfy. I loved it. Closet, very spacious. This mirror, I loved it. It had like different options in regards to the lights. Now we're gonna head over to the bathroom. This is definitely where you put the people that came with you on the trip, because like out of a 10, it's given like 4, like space wise. Yes, that's actually the shower that you guys are looking at. So that was weird. It was really tiny to me. Good lighting in the bathroom, but space wise it was just not for me. That's the toilet. This is the sink. Like yeah, this is like the room that you run to but you quick to run back out because it's just not it. Like what? So we're heading back into the area. Like I said, the closet, it had great space. I loved it personally. And I had to jump in here real quick because look at that negative thing that they have there in this hotel closet room. Like, who is trying to be on a scale on vacation? Oh, so negative. That makes your points go down. I don't want to show my fat self on no scale while I'm consuming 5 burgers. That was a no-no. But some people need it. Some people need it, just not me. Cute ceiling and whatnot. I love the minimalistic look that they have going on in here. This is another lounge area for the guest bedroom. It was cute. It was cool. It was cool. The TV was right there. That's the next thing. They had no TV in their room. A little AC system, you know. That was cute. Now we're going to go to our bedroom and show y'all the goods. Okay, you guys, as I'm editing, I realized I lost a lot of footage. However, I really enjoyed this hotel. So in regards to the room details, we stayed in the suite Caldera view with outdoor mini private pool with 2 beds. I do believe that if the weather was warmer, I would have enjoyed myself even more at this hotel. With our private pool, the view was amazing, just like you see in pictures. Like I said, the only thing that I didn't like was the size of the small bathroom. Other than that, I would totally recommend you go here. It's really cute. It's right on the path to walk into town, and I loved it.
Our boat is arriving.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought
Our transfer was a little bit late, and I don't know how this is supposed to fit with 4 people, but I'm not gonna let it ruin. It's so beautiful here.
I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought I'd get you?
Okay, you guys, so this particular hotel, I really loved this hotel. Very chic, very in the cut, yet it was about a 5-minute walk to everything. I really hate that. I didn't know that Mykonos had like a downtime. Like, this particular hotel, it also has a lounge, and people come here from like all of the other hotels to get like the vibes going. Every video that I watched in regards to this hotel, it was just like hookah going, food going, you know, like that vibe you want to have, yet it was real like intimate. A lot of couples and stuff was here, so you know, adults only type of vibe. The view was amazing. The room that we had was the deluxe suite with a sea view and a hot tub. That made me excited because I was finally able to get in some water, you know, get my bikini on. I've been waiting for this moment. Okay, we're settled into our hotel, so.
Huh? 51 for one day?
You can.
Do it tomorrow. Huh? Do it tomorrow.
William's gonna rent a bike apparently tomorrow.
51 for one day.
Okay. Well, we're gonna walk into town today.
I'm gonna wake up 7:30 and rent it for
Okay. It's a bit more active out here, kinda. A lot of the things are closed that I wanted to do, so I think we could both agree we would have to come back like in the summertime, so I guess get the full, like, you know, experience of everything. But yeah, so far I would recommend our hotel that's here as well, especially for distance into town. What you think?
Yeah.
Because we've already hit like the downtown area where they say like the restaurants and stuff are, so that's cool. It has a nice view as well, and they done already caught points compared to the last hotel for having Netflix available. We just gotta wait and see when we turn it on. It's in English, but it should be, because Netflix be having that option. So they got points already. Oh, and by the way, that boat was not playing. I really thought it started raining outside, but that thing was giving you the business. So, babe, look, burgers and steakhouse. No, he look open. Right here.
Oh, I think so about this.
No, but we can still walk in further.
Board it up.
Look how everything is like closed, you guys. But we'll make the best of it like we always do. All right. I know you guys are wondering, what in the world? Why does this look like that? But I will explain this after we review this hotel. I absolutely love this hotel. It's available on places like Airbnb, Expedia, which is where I booked. This was like amazing. 2 sinks. It had the heated towel dryer. Listen, hot water. When I tell you hot water, I love that. The other hotels, you have to keep doing this, keep doing that. No, perfect. This location, the bed was comfortable. The view, not so much, but they made up for everything else. It had a mini stove, a refrigerator, and it came with all of the amenities, all of the appliances. Like, we did not have to leave that room for nothing, except for the food that we would have had to cook. But other than that, came with the ironing board, like our own little apartment. It was enough room for the both of us. The TV, it had everything on there. This was like a 5-minute walk to everything. It was like right downtown. I love this hotel so much. Plain and simple, you guys, I'm still learning my camera. I'm so sorry, but I'm really committed to bringing you guys content. So please bear with me and stay tuned.